Hello guys, welcome back. In this video we are going to see how to make a wooden hand plane. This is my aluminum block plane. As you can see in this block plane, this angle is 45 degrees and this is the wear angle where from shavings go away. Anything couldn't build without prototype. This is 40-inch long hand plane that I made from teak wood. Teak is pretty hard wood but not as hard as rosewood. Hardness of rosewood is more than walnut. Therefore, I am making my plane out of rosewood. The ideal ratio for hand plane base is 2:3. I want to make a 10.5-inch long hand plane, so I am marking a 45-degree line at 7 inches. Angle for blade is usually 45 degrees, so I am making a cut at 45-degree angle. Cut should be clean and square. Next I want to cut at 60 degree for shavings. Do not be skimp at applying glue. Apply more than enough glue so side part won't be fall apart. Align all 4 pieces and carefully clamp them.
Ten hours later.
I am planing down the upper portion of plane in thickless planer. You can also skip this step. Now you can cut the length of plane about 10 inch long. Modern wood glues are really strong, they don't need any kind of fasteners. Driving screws are not totally necessary, but I am doing this for safety. I am driving 1.5 inch long 8 number stainless steel screws. I made this wedge off camera. Mark and drill hole. After, we will insert a steel rod. This blade contains carbide tip on front, so it can't be dull easily. Blade will be secured with wedge supported by steel rod. And you can see the plane is making really good shavings, but sharp corners of plane body is scratching my hand. So I rounded the edges of plane and sand it down. Now set the blade and we are ready to make shavings.